Guys, as a business owner or marketer, you know how important it is to keep a close eye on your online rating and reviews to drive success. So in this video, we are going to show you how you can easily collect and organize your Google My Business reviews inside various Google Sheets automatically so that you can save a lot of your valuable time and focus on more important things of your business. So to set up this automation, we are going to integrate Google My Business with Google Sheets, and we are not going to use any coding in this process. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned till the end. Let's begin. To set up the workflow of this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, to reach here, you can use the link from the description, and from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, sign up right now from the given link and then sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name. Now I'm clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of the automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts or triggers any workflow, and the action is the automated response of the trigger. So there can be many automated actions for a particular trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a review on Google My Business page is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to send the reviews and ratings to different spreadsheets I have created here in Google Sheets. So in this Google Sheet, guys, you can see I have two sheets. In this sheet, I am collecting the reviews in which I got more than 3-star ratings. Okay. And here I am collecting the reviews which have less than 3-star ratings. Okay. So I've created two spreadsheets. Now, first of all, in the trigger section, I'm going to connect with Google My Business. Here it is. Okay. And I'm going to select the trigger event as a new review. Okay. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection. Then click on sign in with Google. And from this window, you have to choose that Google account by which you have created your business page on Google My Business. Select the account. Then you have to provide the required access to Google account. So just click on continue from here. And in a moment, you will be connected. You can see we are now connected, and here it started showing to choose your account's name. So choose your account name like this and the location of your business. Okay, select it from here, and then we have save and send test request button. Click this option to get the most recent review that you got from on your business page. So this is my business page, and this was the last review, amazing place for ethnic wear, I have received. And here I'm clicking on save and send test request button. And here you can see, guys, we have received the star rating, which is showing 5. This is the name of the person who have given us this review. And you will see the comment here, amazing place for ethnic wear. Okay. So I'm using my friend's business account who have an ethnic wear store, and he has received this review from a customer. Okay. Now, guys, I want to save this review here in this spreadsheet. And we have two conditions for saving the reviews. First condition is that we have received more than 3-star rating, and second condition is we have less than 3-star ratings. So for these two conditions, I'm going to create conditional paths or routes, as we call it here in this automation. So for that to happen, in this action window, I'm going to use router feature of Pabbly Connect. So with the help of router, you can create conditional paths or routes. So here you can see it started showing 2 routes. So first of all, click on set filter and action steps. And here it will show you this filter. So with the help of this filter, we can apply the conditions that we got. So to apply the condition that we have got more than 3 stars, what I'm going to do, here you can see it is asking to select a label. So when you click here, it will show you the trigger step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received. From here I'm going to select this star rating label. Okay, then I'm going to make the filter type as greater than, and here in the value I'm going to put 3. 3 means 3 integer. So this is going to ensure this condition that whenever the star rating is greater than 3, then only continue the workflow, otherwise stop the workflow, and the second route will work, okay, in that condition. So guys, here you can see to apply this filter we need to have an integer value here in this response as well. But in this response you can see we have received the star rating in uh, words. It is showing 5 in English, but here to apply this condition we need to have 5 in integers. Now to convert this, guys, just close this, just click here on this plus icon just after the trigger, and another action step will be added like this. And here I am going to use lookup table module of Pabbly Connect to convert these words into numbers that I am receiving in the star ratings field. Okay, so in this action window, just search for lookup table. Select the action event as lookup table only and click on connect. So with the help of lookup table module, we can create a table of words and the corresponding numbers of the words. Okay, and with the help of that, let me just show you. Here you can see it is showing a lookup key. So this field is used to search any key in the table, and in the result it will give you the value corresponding to the key. Okay, so here you can see it is showing under lookup table, it is showing label and value pair. So here we can create label and value pairs like this. Here you can see we have received this rating 5. Okay, so first of all, let me create a label and a value for this rating which I received, which is 5. Okay, now for 5 I want to convert this 5 word into the digit which is 5. This is one key value pair. Then click on this plus icon here. So another pair will open up. Here I am going to create the key value pair for the number 4. Similarly, I am going to create a table for 1, 2 and 3 ratings as well. Alright guys, so I have created the table. You can see the pairs of key and values. 5 is 5, 4 is 4. Okay, and here in this table I am going to search for a key, and I am going to map the key here in this lookup key field, and I am going to map it from the response I am receiving in the trigger, and I am going to map this star rating label. So just click here on the lookup key field, and from the previous step map this label, and in the result we are going to get the integer associated with this key. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and here you can see in the result table the key value pair is here 5, 5. Okay, now we are going to use this data in this filter. So just click here, and from here guys you can see the previous 2 steps are appearing. So from the lookup tables step, just click here and map the result value, make it greater than 3 or equals to 3. We are going to apply 2 conditions in OR logic condition. That means the rating should be greater than equal to or equal to 3. Okay, so for applying the OR condition, just click on this OR condition button, and let me apply the OR condition from the lookup table. Now this can be equal to 3 or greater than 3, and if these condition match true, the workflow will continue. So click on save and send test request button to see the condition, and here you can see it is showing success, the condition is true. Okay, so when this condition match true, click here on this plus icon, and I want to save the data in this spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So connect with Google Sheets here in this action window. Okay, and use the action event as add new row, Click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google, and from this window, select the Google account in which you have created the spreadsheet. Then provide the additional access, just click on continue, and you will be connected with Google Sheets in a moment. Alright, and here now it will ask you to select the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet is Google My Business Reviews, and I'm going to select it from the given list like this. And here you have to select the sheet. So I have this sheet more than 3 stars and less than 3 stars. So right now I'm creating this route for more than 3 stars. And here you can see it's just showing these 3 fields: star rating, reviewers comment, and the date. These are the headers I have in this sheet. And to get the data here, we need to map the values here. So just click here, and from the first step only, map the star rating label, map the reviewers comment from the comment label, and the date on which we get the comment. So you'll get the date on the created time label. Map it. Okay. Now you can test your connection with Google Sheets by clicking on save and send test request, and this data that you have mapped will be sent here. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request button, and you can see this is the response I got. Let me show you my sheet directly. And here you can see, guys, we have received the data. It is showing the star rating is 5. Amazing place for everything, where, date, everything captured here. Okay. This is how you can capture the data. Now we are done setting up the first route for more than 3 ratings. Similarly, I'm going to create the second route. So do not create the route second from scratch. Just clone this first route. To clone this route, just click on this 3 dots and then click on clone option. Then click on clone one more time, and the route is cloned. Now you can delete this third route. This is not relevant. Okay, right? And let me rename the routes for your better understanding. Alright, so you can see I have renamed the routes. This route is for the condition when we got more than 3 or equal to 3 stars, and here less than 3 stars. Now click on set filter and action steps button, and we need to change a few things here. First thing is, here the result in the filter type, I'm going to make the filter type as not greater than but less than. Okay, less than 3, and I'm going to delete this or condition. Okay, because we have already applied the equal to 3 condition in the previous route. Now this route is for only the ratings less than 3 stars. Okay, and here I'm going to change the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet would be the same. The sheet's name would be changed here. Sheet would be, let me just refresh the sheets option. Now this time the sheet would be this sheet, which is named as less than 3 stars. Okay, right. So let me just select less than 3 stars. Okay, and keep these labels mapped. Okay, because these labels are going to change automatically whenever a new trigger happens. Whenever a new review is going to receive, the labels will be updated, and according to the new data, the workflow and the logic is going to run. Okay, so you need to map the values only once. You have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will work automatically according to the conditions that you have applied here. Now you can click on save button here and just save this step, and you are done setting up this automation. And now it is going to work every time you are going to receive a new review. And I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.